Welcome to my channel. CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion for dry skin is offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Moisturizing Lotion Daily Skin feels nourished and silky with a lightweight, fast-absorbed texture that is never oily. Permanent hydration contains MVE technology to deliver constant hydration and hyaluronic acid to aid in retaining the skin's natural moisture. The National Eczema Association's NEA seal of acceptance is on gentle on skin. It is non-comedogenic, fragrance-free, allergy-tested, and excellent for use as a hand lotion, face moisturizer, or body lotion. 3 necessary ceramics. Ceramides are lipids that are naturally present in the skin and make up 50% of the skin barrier. To help restore and maintain the skin's natural barrier, 3 critical ceramides, 1, 3, and 6(2), are included in the formulation of every CeraVe product. Formulated by dermatologists, CeraVe skincare was created in collaboration with dermatologists and offers products for dry skin, sensitive skin, and oily skin. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.